Hi, I am Kafri and this channel is about hula hooping. In this video I will present you 10 easy tricks for beginners that you can easily do even without any former experience with hula hooping. If you need a tutorial for any of these tricks, leave me a comment below and let's go! As you can see, there are so many possibilities for beginner hoopers to begin their adventure with some fancy tricks. So if you are beginning your journey, then please leave me a comment below saying which tutorial you need of which of these tricks, or maybe there is something more advanced that you have already seen but you don't know how to solve your issues about this. Write it in the comment below, leave me a sign of your presence here and guide me into how to create the content so that it's mostly helpful and useful for you, okay? I see you next Tuesday in the next video, which will be already a tutorial. So get ready, get your hoop and begin exploring. See you!